In the stillness of the evening, when questions arise within the heart, how do we measure our love for the land we call home? Some express it through action, a hand extended in aid, a voice raised in defense of freedom, or the silent sacrifice of those who serve without question. Others find their patriotism in words, a promise to the future, a pledge to uphold justice, or the poetry of a nation united in diversity. And for some, it lives quietly in thought, the dreams of a better tomorrow, the contemplation of our collective past, and the hope that guides us forward. Patriotism is not bound by one form. It flows through action, words, and thought, each a thread in the fabric of our shared identity. And in the end, it is the question we ask ourselves that shapes the world we wish to see. I found mine and now want to help others find theirs, so together we can help make sure it is a place where our kids and theirs have the opportunity for a better life. Be part of the solution, not the problem.